I'm going to show you how to stop seeing text messages and getting text notifications on your CarPlay display in your vehicle. So what you want to do is over on your iPhone, I want you to go into settings. So type in the word settings and then go to the settings app. Once under settings, I want you to go to notifications. It'll be about midway down. Tap into notifications. Once you're here, scroll down to the M's and go to the messages app. And then once you're here, tap into that. And then once you're under the messages notification settings, you can scroll down and you can see an option that says show in CarPlay. If that is turned on or toggled on to the right, you will still see notifications from text messages within CarPlay. But if you don't want to see them, you just tap and disable that toggle just like so. And now the next time you connect into CarPlay in your vehicle, you should not see any more notifications. If you want to do this just temporarily, all you want to do is go into your settings app. Once under settings, scroll down to where you see focus, and then the focus mode that says do not disturb, that will basically put this to where you're not receiving any notifications except for emergency notifications. And then if you wanted to, you can add a new focus mode, and there's one called driving. If you tap into the driving focus mode, you can go here and go to customize focus, and then with the driving focus mode, there will be no notifications, right? And that's a focus mode that basically puts your phone in do not disturb mode. If you have any questions, I'll put some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.